After generating a significant buzz upon its debut at CES 2023, the Acer Predator X45 gaming monitor has triumphantly arrived in the European and US markets, signaling a new era of immersive gaming experiences. Gaming enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike can now lay their hands on this cutting-edge piece of hardware, which promises to redefine the way gamers engage with their favorite titles. The Acer Predator X45 emerges as a formidable contender in the realm of gaming monitors, boasting an array of cutting-edge features that promise to revolutionize the gaming experience. With a commanding 45-inch curved OLED display, a cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio, and a native resolution of 3440x1440 or 2K, this monitor beckons gamers into a world of unprecedented visual immersion. The monitor's staggering 240Hz refresh rate and lightning-quick 0.01 milliseconds GTG response time form the backbone of its performance prowess, ensuring that fast-paced action sequences unfold seamlessly, devoid of motion blur and ghosting. Bolstered by a 1000 nit brightness, the Predator X45 introduces players to a level of vibrancy that brings virtual landscapes to life, captivating the senses with breathtaking luminosity. One of the monitor's standout features is its robust support for AMD FreeSync, a technological boon that eradicates the nuisance of screen tearing. This innovation synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card, harmoniously melding every frame for a remarkably smooth and fluid visual experience. Underpinning the Predator X45's exceptional image quality is its OLED panel, flaunting a staggering 1,500,000 by 1 native contrast ratio. This impressive contrast ratio, coupled with support for 10-bit color depth and coverage of 99% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, unveils a palette of colors that is both rich and true to life. From the inkiest blacks to the most vivid hues, this monitor is a canvas for creators, and a delight for gamers. The monitor's gentle 800R curvature envelops the viewer, crafting an immersive cocoon that pulls them deeper into the digital realm. Accompanying this immersive appearance is a convenient KVM switch, facilitating seamless control over two devices using a single keyboard and mouse, an innovation that streamlines multitasking and enhances productivity. In the realm of connectivity, the Predator X45 leaves no stone unturned. Sporting two HDMI ports, a DisplayPort, and a Versatile Spc Port, capable of delivering 90 watts USB power delivery, it offers an arsenal of options to cater to various devices. The inclusion of two USB 3.2 ports further amplifies its utility, accommodating additional peripherals with ease. A nod to everyday practicality, the monitor comes equipped with built-in speakers that deliver dual 5 watts audio output power. While not audiophile grade, these speakers serve admirably for casual use, adding a layer of convenience to the gaming setup. For those seeking optimal placement and customization, the Predator X45 is VESA compatible, enabling straightforward mounting with a 100x100mm pattern. This feature opens up a world of possibilities for ergonomic arrangements and space optimization. As gaming enthusiasts eagerly await the arrival of the Acer Predator X45, the price points for this high-performance gaming monitor have been unveiled, unveiling a compelling proposition for gamers on both sides of the Atlantic. With a price tag of €1,799 in the Eurozone and $1,599 in the United States, the Predator X45 strikes a harmonious balance between premium features and attainable cost, inviting gamers to embark on a new level of immersive gameplay. As the Acer Predator X45 emerges onto the gaming stage, its availability in the Eurozone and the US heralds a new era of immersive gaming experiences. With its competitive price points and a wide array of purchasing options, this gaming monitor beckons gamers from both regions to step into a world of unparalleled visual and performance excellence. Whether acquired online or offline, the Predator X45 is poised to redefine gaming setups and elevate the standards of gaming technology in households across continents. What do you think about the new monitor? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.